Hi, good day everyone. My name is Kerry Manet and welcome back to another tutorial. In the previous tutorial, we had installed Windows Server 2022. In this tutorial, we will be configuring our network as well as adding a couple of rules to that server, as well as adding 2 clients to that server. So let's begin. Okay, so we're going to click Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings, right click on Ethernet, Properties, double click on IPv4, add your IP address, you're going to leave out DNS for now, and just click OK, and OK again. So we're going to go over to change advanced sharing settings, and we're going to apply the following settings. We're going to make sure that password protection sharing is off, and click Save Changes. Okay, so we're going to apply the same rules that we did for our server to our client. So we're going to go to Network and Internet, click Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings, right click on Local Area Connection, click Properties, double click on IPv4, and we're going to put in our IP address. We're going to put in our DNS server. We're going to click OK. We're going to click OK again. Now we're going to go to our Change Advanced Sharing Settings. We're going to enable the following settings. And we're going to save our changes. Okay, so we're going to apply the same changes to our second client. We're going to click Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings, right click on Ethernet, Properties, double click on IPv4, set our IP address. We're going to set our DNS address. Then we're going to click OK, and OK again. Okay, so we're going to go over to our Change Advanced Sharing Settings, and we're going to apply the following settings. And save our changes. Okay, so we are going to go back to our server now. So we're going to verify our IP address in both our server and our client. So we're going to type ipconfig, enter. We're going to check our loopback address. Type in. Okay, so we're going to check it for our client as well. Config. We're gonna pin our loopback address. Okay, so from our client, we are going to ping our server. Ping. Our server is okay, so we're going to ping our client from our server. Click. So we're going to do the same for our next client. Okay, so we verify the IP address in our second client now. IP config. Okay, so we're going to ping our loopback address. Now we're going to ping our server. Okay, so now from our server, we're going to ping our second client. Okay, great. Okay, so we're going to add a couple of rules to our server. So we're going to click add rules and features. We're going to click next. We're going to click next again. We're going to click next again. Add Active Directory domain services, and we're going to add DNS server. We're going to click next. 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 We're going to click next again. Then we're going to click install. Okay, so we're going to add a new first and add our domain name and click next. Okay, so for this tutorial purpose, we'll be selecting server 2016 functional level. In a real world settings, you will have to select accordingly. Okay, so we're going to put our password now, and we're going to select next, 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 and we're going to select next. Okay, so we're going to select install. Okay, so we're going to click close now. Okay, so we're going to add our clients to our domain. Okay, so we're going to add our client now to the domain. I'm going to right click on computer properties. We're going to click change, enter our server domain name, click OK. So we're going to add our username now. Okay, so we're going to add our password. and we're going to select OK. And we're going to select OK again. And we're going to select OK again. Okay, so we're going to do the same for our second client. You're going to right click on this PC, click properties, select change, select domain, put our domain, select OK. Okay, so we're going to put in our username. And our password. And select OK. Okay, so you're going to select OK. And OK again. We're going to select close. Okay, now that our two clients are added to the domain, we are going to select tools, select Active Directory users and computers. Select computers, right click on our first client, properties, select delegation, select trust this computer for delegation to any service, apply, and select OK. So we're going to do the same for the second client. Right click, properties, select delegation, select trust this computer for delegation to any service, select apply, and select OK. Okay, so that's it guys for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one.